find out. There is one train. Have a good day. The fish are swimming in the bowl. Bye-bye, fish. 3 puppies are in the doghouse. See you later. Nice to see you, family. Can you count the people? 1, 2, 3, 4. See you later. Yummy! Yay! Party time! Yummy! How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2,